Hello, and welcome to Quick Tale English. Today we have a simple story about a daily task at the supermarket. The shopping list. Lily is 21 years old. Today is Monday, and Lily is at home. She looks in her fridge. It is empty. She needs food. I need to go to the supermarket, Lily says. She takes a small piece of paper. She writes a shopping list. She needs two things: milk, bread. Lily repeats the words milk and bread, milk and bread. She wants to remember her list. She puts the paper on the table, but she does not take it. She wants to use her memory. At the store. Lily walks to the supermarket. It is a sunny day. The supermarket is big and busy. There are many people. Lily finds the milk. It is cold. Then she finds the bread. It is fresh and soft. Milk and bread. I have everything, Lily says. She is happy. Her memory is good. She walks to the cashier. There is a short line. When it is her turn, the cashier says, "That is $5, please." Lily looks in her bag. She looks in her pockets. She is surprised. Her face is red. "Oh no," Lily says. "My wallet is not here. My wallet is at home on the table." The return. Lily leaves the milk and the bread at the store. She walks back home quickly. She enters her house and sees her wallet. It is next to her shopping list on the table. She takes the wallet and runs back to the supermarket. She finds the milk again. She finds the bread again. She goes to the cashier and pays. Finally, Lily is home. She has her milk and she has her bread. It was a long trip for only two things, but Lily is proud. She forgot her wallet, but she remembered her list. Thank you for joining Quick Tale English. Subscribe for more easy stories for beginners and continue practicing your A1 English. See you next time.